I wonder, as thoughts wander, was it long ago?
Marc and Melissa, you have both proven to each other that the love you have for each other is one that is unconditional in nature and persistent through time.
Corners of old, our journey seed though slowly sown brought the gift of joy. Now no one.
Melissa, will you have Marc to be your husband, to live with him in the covenant of marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health?
I do.
Who knew you'd be the one to let me know?
Gorgeous. Beautiful.
Though I was never wandering on my own.
Marc, will you have Melissa to be your wife, to live together with her in a covenant of marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? I do.
I ask at this point, whom has given the blessing for this union?
Her mother and I did.
It is for each person to know that having you means a full sense of pure, undiluted commitment in wedlock, that you belong to each other, that you are committing yourself, body and soul, to one another in matrimony.
Across the room, I caught a night this time, calling me home.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no man ever separate. Marc, you may kiss your bride.
I was never wandering on my own. I still remember walking. I knew you'd be the one to let me know. I still remember time.
Melissa, I've always considered you a daughter. You know that already. This is just a formality here. But what I do want you to know that because of today, you get the title of my favorite daughter-in-law.